Hello everyone, welcome back. Let's talk about assignment operators in Python. Assignment operators are used to assign values to variables. They combine a basic arithmetic operation with assignment. It allows you to perform an operation and assign the result in a single step. Some of the importance are it simplifies code by combining operation with assignment, and it also increases the readability of the code and also reduces the number of lines of code that you have to write, making it more efficient. All right, so let's do some coding how to use the assignment operators in Python. Go to your folder wherever you have, and you can create a new file and go to Python. And you can create that file. I already have it open. What we're going to do is various assignment operators. For example, if you have something like x plus equals to y, then it adds a value to the variable and assign the result, so you don't have to write x plus y separately. That's how you do it. This is an example code here, like x equals to 10, y equals 5, x plus y, and then the output you'll have is 15. So let's do some of this here in hands-on work. So for this one, we're trying to demonstrate how the addition assignment operators work. So let's say you have x equals to 10 and y equals to 5. All right, this is your different values for that. And what you can do is x plus equals to y. If you do this, then if you print x, then you can get like addition of that 10 plus 5. So this is addition assignment operators. Let me cut this out. And similarly, if you want to do is for the subtraction, what you can do is x equals to 10 and y equals to 5, x minus y equals to y. If you do that, then value is subtracted from x. And if you print x, then you can see it's 5. Now let's try to demonstrate how the multiplication assignment operators work. X equals to 10, similarly, right? So y equals to 5 follows the same process. X times equals to y. If you do it and then you print x, then you can get the multiplication of that. And you can also do how the division assignment work. For example, here x equals to 10 and y equals to, let's say, 5, and x, this is the sign for the division, and then y. If you do print x, then you can see the value 2, which is x divided by 10 divided by 5 equals 2. Let's try to demonstrate how the modulus assignment operators work. So you have x equals to 10, y equals to, let's say, 3, and then x, and you have this sign equals to y. If you do print x, you can see the remainder is 1. So that's what the modulus operator outputs the result. So let's try to demonstrate how the exponential assignment operators work. It's actually a similar way, right? So I just wanted to show you the various operators. That's the reason I wanted to cover all of these. And for exponential, you can just do this, and then if you do print x, then you can get the x to the power of 3, which is 2 to the power of 3 equals to 8. So how it is applied in the real world, right? Let's do some real world example to calculate the population growth using the assignment operators. Let's say you have the population, initial population is 1 million, right? And then let's call this initial population, and you have the growth rate value is 0.02. That is, let's consider this growth rate per year, right? And then you want to now applying the assignment operators, you want to calculate the population. That's going to be plus equals, and let's calculate the integer value of that. Population times growth rate, it will show you that the increase the population by growth rate. That's what we're trying to calculate. If you do print and then population after 1 year, then you can do population, right? We already calculate the population from here. And this will increase the population by just the growth rate. If you shift enter, population after 1 year is 1,020,000, right? So that's how you calculate the population growth rate using the assignment operators. Let's try updating the bank balance after a deposit using the assignment operator. Let's say you have the balance of 1,000, right? And then a deposit you did is, let's say, 500. Now, what is the balance? Now, this is like the after you add that deposit to the balance, right? Uh, that would be equals to deposit. If you do this, then it's gonna add that deposit to the balance, and if you print it, balance after deposit would be let's give a sign of dollar, and then you do balance, shift enter. I think I got the spelling error here, so now I want to do balance. All right, balance after deposit is 1,500, right? So that actually makes sense here from this example. Let's do how to calculate tree growth using the assignment operator. This may be an example in forestry. So how we want to do this is, let's say we have the tree height equals to 30, and that's in meter, and let's say growth equals to 5. That's, let's call that in growth in meters, 5 meters. What is the total tree height now, right? So for that you can do height and then plus equals to, if you do growth, then print tree height after growth is, you can calculate this from here, height, shift enter, tree height after growth is 35, and this is in meter. So this is how you can calculate the tree height also using the assignment operators. All right, thank you so much for watching. I really hope that you like this video where we learn about assignment operators in Python. This really helped to make code concise and clear. All right, I'll see you in the next one. Thank you so much.